My compass. Paid employment. Being employed is part of having a good life. Our jobs don't just give us money, they also help us find belonging, friendships, and personal growth.
We feel better about our lives, we feel better that we're contributing in some way or another.
Often it's at our jobs where we develop social connections, meet friends.
Emily and I did work together this summer with the Community Infusion T-Van.
We show up, serve tea, have a party basically. It's really fun. Yes, you're meeting new people and obviously you get paid for it.
For those reasons, it's important to explore those possibilities. How can we help people find meaningful employment?
Start with strengths and interests.
So we started discovering with Sean and his family what he's interested in. We started to discover he's into tools, he's into cars, and we wanted to find ways that that could connect in a meaningful role in the community.
We got him in here, he works about 40 minutes to an hour.
Get creative.
There's another story of a gentleman that would pick at people's clothes, pick all the fluff off, right? He ended up getting a job in a factory where it was a conveyor belt where he had to pick things.
You might have more success if you think beyond the kinds of jobs that are out in the world already.
Sean, he was really into trains. And so we thought, okay, what is something in the community that he could be experiencing and contribute to around this interest in trains? What about Fort Edmonton where they have the vintage train? Could there be some role there?
So if you would like to have extra information on our train, he is here to give you all that information on his special device.
Volunteer positions like this can be great, but we should always be looking for ways they can be turned into paid positions.
So that they can be compensated for the contributions that they make.
You might even brainstorm an idea for a small business.
Transportation service for large dogs and bully breed dogs. It's a work in progress, sir.
It's a lot of work, but businesses like Anthony Your Service, Autism Artistry, Brick Art by Aaron, and Made by Brad have all started around the person's unique abilities and interests. When you're planning for paid employment, start with strengths and interests, then get creative and find ways to connect those into the community. And don't just look for existing positions, work with employers, ask if there are any unmet needs or a role could be created. And make sure you plan for success and find ways to help coworkers see the real value in the person they're working with.
When you're really curious, when you're open to seeing what does this person really love, who are they really, what are they really interested in? How can we help them connect with more people that share that interest? How can we help them connect with roles where they can share their passion and community? That's how you help people have good lives.